All right, we're back for day 6 of Advent of Code 2024. Here we go. Okay, it's a grid problem. We need to move in some direction. How many distinct positions does the guard visit before we look in the map area? What does the guard do? The guard follows a certain pattern. Current location up, obstacles. If there's something direct in front of you, turn right 90 degrees. Otherwise, take a step forward. Okay, is there only one guard? I guess so. First, let's find the guard. And then, okay, so there's the guard. Guard's moving up, and I think we need this. Actually, we shouldn't need that. The question is just how many positions will they leave? Will they touch before leaving? Okay, so I think just what we need to do is we need to have our directions. First direction we start in is just going to be -1, 0, because we're going up. And then the next direction will be 0 + 1, 1, 0, and then 0, -1. And then what we'll do is we will take a step in that direction. If and grid of x and y, can't do that. If it's this, then we need to rotate instead. And if we're rotating, then we do this. And I think otherwise we can safely do cx, cy, and x and y. Okay, 551. Rank 121. Oh, so close. What are we doing? All the possible positions for such an obstruction. An obstruction? Oh dear. You can put an obstruction and then cause the guard to not leave the area is the idea? Guard will get stuck in the loop. Yeah, okay. All the possible positions for such an obstruction. Oof. There are a lot of possible positions. I do not know about brute forcing this. Yeah. Seems a little high, but maybe I just write it. I need to know how many. Yeah, no, let's just try brute forcing it. Let's try the simple thing first. Let's do. Otherwise, we will. Otherwise, we're going to temporarily set the obstruction. You can't place an obstruction where the guard currently is. That's not valid syntax. Yeah, so otherwise we place an obstruction down, and then when we're done with this check, we will clear it out. And so what we're now gonna do, I think, and CXY not in scene. So now we need to do the following. We just don't want to add this. Okay, and then when we're done, if cxcy is seen, this means that we looped, in which case we can add 1. This is probably pretty slow. Oh, there's an answer. Not the right answer. Okay, so something went wrong here. I do repair it at the end. Should I just try sample input here? Oh, I'm debating. Yeah, let's just try the sample input for starters. Should get, okay, we got 13, which is too many. So that could be related. Skipping these, that's correct. Well, I guess for starters, we will just print out okay. How do I only have a single question mark here? Something ain't right. And the question mark is also going on top of the character. I thought that I skipped that. Oh, I'm not resetting cxcy. Oh, dumb bug. Okay, well, now this is more problematic. Because, oh, whoops, not this. Okay, let's do this. $86, that's much more wrong. Scene is being reset too, right? Okay, why is it trying to put 1 over where we start? That's just like wrong. Because we should be seeing this. But also, there's clearly not like this many question marks. 86, what am I doing here? Oh, this is where we end up in the loop. Okay. Well, it now explains why I was doing that. I'm still debugging though, because 86 is far too many. Oh shoot. For us to actually be looping, it's not sufficient to have this. We also need to be looping in the same direction. So our scene set is going to have to track this as well. We can, of course, walk through the same location. That was a bad bug. Scene.add, where do I add to scene? Oh, there we go. 6, cool, correct answer. Now we just wait, I think. Come on. It's a lot slower now because earlier I was terminating like very early. I have PyPy installed, but I do not know if I have it handy here. I don't think so. Well, I forgot to add like print statements here to see how far along I am. So we are stuck just waiting for this. Hopefully it's not stuck in an infinite loop. I guess I have no way of knowing whether it is or not. think it's probably worth adding this. Make sure I'm not stuck in an infinite loop. Oh, that is so slow. It'll get there, but it'll take a while. Is leaderboard already filled up? Leaderboard has filled up, okay. Shoot, that's sad. Oh, man. There's surely not a better way than just brute forcing this, right? Like, surely I just need to throw PyPy at it, I think. Which I guess I'll, like, start doing. Yeah, this is really on me for not having PyPy installed. Or sorry, not having it, like, handy. 3. Okay. Attempting to run PyPy here. I guess you probably can't see it because it's cutting off a little bit, but no paperclip, that's fine. Move this after. Okay. PyPy is faster, but it's like not massively faster. Oh, sorry, it is like massively faster. Yeah, okay. PyPy is gonna finish first. Wow, how do people solve this fast? There's no way there's something like significantly faster or smarter, right? Shoot. No, wrong one to restart, but oh well. Doesn't really matter. I had to comment out the AOC tools import because I think I used some things that PyPy doesn't have, and that caused this to break. Because my AOC tools overrides print underscore to be like a wrapper around print. Hopefully this is right. Okay, it did print it. Okay, there we go. Rank 227. Man, missed leaderboard again. That didn't feel like a bad performance from me. I mean, I guess part 2 was definitely slower than I should have been. And I wasn't ready with the PyPy. I don't know. Part 1, I felt like I was reasonably fast. Oh, okay. So definitely a lot of large language models on the leaderboard again. But yeah, I guess that's just what it's like these days. Yeah. Well, I'm at least like happier with my performance today than I am with like the last couple days. This doesn't feel like a massive choke. Although part 2, I was obviously like doing something a little silly. To summarize the bug a little more carefully. So the other thing part 2 is asking is just like, you can place one obstacle, you place it, like how many different places can you place it in such that the guard is going to like get stuck in an infinite loop? And the way that I was checking if they were in a loop is if they ever revisit the same location that they've been at before. That is not sufficient. They need to be in the same location, facing the same direction as they were when they were there. And that was the thing I was missing, so I just add that. Yeah, for part 1, it only cared about like the number of unique positions, which is why my scene set was tracking that and why I was probably a little biased towards just doing that. But yeah, you definitely need the direction for part 2 to work. Cool. Yeah, so I guess one lesson for me is for next time, don't forget to throw this print in and have PyPy ready a lot more. I don't know. I should like have an alias for PyPy here probably. I think running it in this terminal is probably fine. I guess this is probably covering it, but like I just have like I have the PyPy executable here, and this is like not the path that I have handy, so I had to go finding it, and that like probably cost me some time. Cool, but yeah, that is all I have for day 6. I will see you all tomorrow.